Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund your account on the DaxBase Broker using Bitcoin, BTC. As you saw in previous tutorials, you can fund and withdraw your account using various methods. Now in this tutorial, to withdraw using Bitcoin, we click on Advanced. In the next step, as you can see, you choose Bitcoin from the various payment methods, specifically from the cryptocurrency options available. But as you can see, the minimum payment amount for the Bitcoin method is $10. You enter the desired amount for the payment in this section, and the destination QR code and address will be shown to you. You go to your mobile wallet, you select the desired currency, which is Bitcoin, and click on the Send option. On this page, we need to enter the destination address in the first part and the comment amount in the second part. Or you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking this option and complete the payment process. Please note that we need to enter the amount of Bitcoin exactly as shown here, and then we click on the next option. On this page, the sender's address, destination address, fee amount, and total amount will be displayed to us. After clicking the Confirm option and entering the password, our payment process will be completed. And as you can see, our payment is currently pending, and we are waiting for this payment to be completed. For more details, you can click on the More Details option on the website to view the details of your transaction. Our payment is pending, and we are waiting for this payment to be completed. To see more details, you can click on the More Details option on the website to view the specifics of your transaction. Well, as you can see, after a few minutes, our deposit was successfully made, and you can see your balance in this section. To view the details of this transaction, you can check the deposit details from the Avatar section under Transaction History, where this amount has been credited to our account as a bonus. Join us in the next tutorial on withdrawing from DaxBase Broker using the Bitcoining method. Goodbye.